So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install Spectrum TV app on Firestick 4K, download, login and streaming setup. So step 1 is download Spectrum TV app on Firestick. Turn on your Amazon Firestick 4K and go to the home screen. Then select find, then search. Then type Spectrum TV using the on-screen keyboard. Choose Spectrum TV for the result, then click download or get to install. Wait for installation, then select open. The app is free to download. You must have a Spectrum TV subscription to watch content. Step 2 is log in to Spectrum TV app. Option A, sign in with username and password. Select sign in, then enter your Spectrum username and password, then choose sign in. Option B is activation code easier. App shows an activation code on your phone or computer. Go to the activation page shown on screen, enter the code and sign in to your Spectrum account. Your Firestick will auto login. Step 3 is streaming setup. Recommended setting. Go to the settings, then network, then make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi if available for better speed. Restart Firestick after installation if the app feels slow. Keep Fire OS updated. In settings, My Fire TV, then About, then check for update. If Spectrum TV app doesn't appear in search, try these fixes. Restart Firestick, hold select plus play and pause for 5 seconds, then update Firestick software. Make sure your Amazon account region support the app. Search again using voice search. Thank you.